Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to a new update on Jasmy. Was definitely needed because look at this, I mean you can already see it on the chart, a lot has happened, a lot of volatility. I think the volume, I mean if I have to guess, I think it's up like 70, 60%, 100% up since yesterday. It's now at 62 million. It is decreasing slightly since this morning. Obviously it's the weekend. So that's to be expected, but the market structure right now is absolutely beautiful for Jasmy, all right? So there are a couple of things that can happen. We'll talk about those things, and I'll tell you what I think is most likely. We'll briefly cover the fundamentals again about what happened and why we are this bullish. But yeah, in the end, hopefully you'll know everything you need to know. For now, before we dive into Jasmy, I have my own Signal group as well, in which I post my trades, my own trades. I have been a profitable trader for quite a long time, so if you actually want to get those trades, but apart from that, also become a better trader with our communities and the trading guides, in which I teach you exactly how to trade and analyze like me, then consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But now on to Jasmy. So the thing is the market structure right now is absolutely beautiful, and to accurately visualize that, I think I need to put in one more key level, and that is this one. What you see right here is that if you zoom out, there's this massive trend line. It's been a respected trend line for a while now. And yesterday, the big question, which we also talked about in the video, is whether we could break above that or not. All right. So the main break we had to get is 0.00422, which I'll refer to as 0.422 cents. All right, it's a bit difficult with low numbers like this, but hopefully you'll understand. Which we found resistance at. All right, so then after that we found some support at the 0.236 fib, and now we've actually dropped down. So the big question is can we still break above that? Because ultimately what needs to happen is we need to get a bullish breakout above 0.00422, because then we can actually rally up to our main price target between 0.44 and 0.45 cents. This is what needs to happen. So I'm going to drag this down here and now tell you what could happen. All right, so we just found support at a major support level right here. We should actually drag this all the way down to 0.004. All right, that's a major psychological support level. But this is the main support level we have right now. I expect this to at least initially hold. All right, it's so filled with support levels and support indicators that I don't see how that could necessarily break right now. Now, the thing though is that from here, what I expect is that we're going to test that level again. We do need to break it at some point of time, all right? Because I do think that it's no problem if we get there and we don't break above it and next time, but the fourth time we get there, we need to break above that, all right? And if we then break above that, like I said, we'll find some resistance at 0.43 cents, and then we'll move up to those price targets. Now, if we cannot break above that, so if we find resistance there twice more, then it's probably just not going to happen. All right, we got a lot of bullish momentum because Jasmy now is out of the innovation zone, which we expected a lot of more bullish momentum from. But the chart, I mean, the chart tells you a lot. I mean, if we're not able to break above that, we're just going to drop down to 0.004, and that's not going to hold up endlessly. I mean, in the end, we also found a significant resistance. This could also just be a leg up, followed by a continuation of the downtrend. So I would say in terms of time, I would give us until like Monday evening to break above 0.00422. And if we haven't broken above that, we'll just slowly die down in this triangle, right? Because that is now the market structure which we are in. We're in this triangle. At this point of time, I still think the most likely scenario is that we'll break out of it. But if we cannot get that bullish breakout by Monday evening, we have to make our conclusions and just know that there isn't enough bullish momentum to get that bullish breakout, and that at some point of time it's more likely we'll break down below 0.004, and I don't think there's coming back from that. All right, so that's my take on Jasmy for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.